Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh with tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. Many people tell themselves, whatever happens, happens. Here are 5 reasons why setting goals is important. Goals keep you focused. You wouldn't set sail without a destination. Goals help you make a plan of action. When you know how much you've accomplished, you can understand how much you need to achieve. Goals motivate you. Without a goal, you'll tell yourself every day, it'll happen tomorrow. Goals reveal your potential. We all have incredible talents existing within, but very few of us will put those talents to use. Goals keep you committed. Many people tend to give up along their journey. If you set a goal and stick to it, you'll avoid distractions and resist falling into depression when things don't go your way.